All right, so we have bunt play here, runner in first base, and we think the offense will bunt. The pitcher and the third baseman will be in charge of making the play if there's a runner in first base. Now, this video shows the first baseman coming to get the ball, so that only happens if the ball is bunted hard at the first baseman. Okay, otherwise the first baseman is going to stay and cover the base. Middle infield is double play depth. Okay, third baseman, if we think it's a bunt, will be cheating up, starting on the edge of the grass, and then they show a bunt, will be sprinting in to crash the bunt play. So you see, our defense is going to be much more simple than this. Okay, instead of the first baseman should stay here, pitcher should just go get this ball and throw it over to one. So don't get confused by that aspect of it. Now, the center fielder backs up a potential throw to second base, and if we get far enough in practice, we like to make this throw. If we get the out at first easily and we have time, we set and fire, because in many cases the runner will round the base to try and then try and pick up the baseball, and by that time, if the ball is already on the way, shortstop's catching it, tagging him out. The center fielder backing that play up, we really don't have any danger in that type of play.